Exploring the science of creation, what the Bible and modern science say. This is one of those topics where people assume there must be a war, but when you slow down, it's more like two witnesses describing the same reality from different angles. 1. What the Bible actually claims about creation. The Bible is not a science textbook. It doesn't explain how atoms bond or when galaxies formed in measurable years. Instead, it answers the why and who behind existence. Key biblical claims. The universe had a beginning in the beginning. Creation is not eternal. Creation is ordered, intentional, and intelligible light. Matter, life, consciousness, siege, appears with purpose. A transcendent cause exists outside space and time. God creates before time is measured. The book of Genesis opens with a philosophical claim that reality is created, not accidental. 2. What modern science has discovered. Ironically, modern science moved toward biblical assumptions, not away from them. The Big Bang, the universe had a definite beginning. Space, time, and matter all came into existence simultaneously. This directly contradicts earlier ideas of an eternal universe. Even physicists now ask, what caused the beginning? Fine-tuning of the universe. Physical constants are balanced with extreme precision. Slight changes would make life impossible. Chance explanations strain probability beyond reason. DNA and information. DNA contains coded information. Information always comes from intelligence. Chemistry alone doesn't explain meaning, code, or instruction. Science describes mechanisms. It does not explain origin of laws, origin of information, or origin of consciousness. 3. Where the Bible and science overlap surprisingly well. Biblical claim, scientific discovery. Universe had a beginning. Big Bang cosmology. Creation is ordered, mathematical laws of nature. Life is information-based DNA code. Light appears early. Light precedes star formation. Earth prepared for life. Habitable zone physics. These aren't proofs, but they are convergences. 4. The real conflict isn't Bible versus science. The tension is actually between worldviews. Materialism, everything came from nothing, by nothing. For no reason, creation, everything came from an eternal, intelligent cause with purpose. Science can measure effects. It cannot explain ultimate causes. That's where philosophy and theology begin. 5. A thought that stops most debates. Cold science explains how the universe works. The Bible explains why it exists at all. If the universe began, something outside the universe must have caused it. That cause must be timeless, spaceless, powerful, intelligent. That description sounds far less like nothing, far more like God. Bottom line, you don't have to choose between faith and science. Science tells us creation happened. The Bible tells us creation was intentional. Different lenses.
Same reality.